Hey guys, so we're here to do a challenge for you. Today we're going to do the Sprite challenge and we're going to see who burps first. The first one to burp loses. Oh, it is already fizzing. Like, ugh. All right.
I can't get it open. Wait.
All right, let's go. Be sipping. I already feel like I need to. Christian, you're gonna be sick. Michaela's out.
Again.
You're out.
I can do this all day.
Are you serious? I already feel it brewing inside.
I see his bathroom.
Okay. That was a baby burp. I'm out. Christian, you won, dude. You keep drinking that, you're gonna throw up.